So after a big hike yesterday, we wanted a place that we could come and take showers. So we are close to where Alex and Angela live. They live in a great section of Portland. This happens to be just a Motel 6. We've stayed here before, but it's okay. Unfortunately, the rooms are quite smoky sometimes, but it works out good. $75 a night. But today we have some more plans to do what? What's up today?
We're meeting up with Alex and Angela, and we're going to do some river rafting with our rafts. And felt good to get in a normal shower. I needed a long, hot, scrubby shower. So it's worth it to do every once in a while to book a hotel. And obviously Motel 6 is whatever. We just want a good shower, a place to sleep, and much rather sleep in the van. So looking forward to doing the rafting with those guys today.
Yeah, one thing to remember is many of these times it's the same thing as staying someplace else for $150. We were in here, we didn't get back until 9 o'clock at night last night, slept all night with the AC on and no problem. So you have to kind of pick and choose as you go which hotels you want to stay at and what prices you want to pay, especially when you're full-time living.
This is why Portland is one of our favorite cities, because there are food trucks galore wherever you go in Portland. And this food truck court has probably 15 food trucks of all kinds. I mean, they have Afghan, they have Indian, Japanese, Thai. You can't go wrong with choices and places to eat at food courts and food truck halls like this in Portland. This is what I love about traveling and being able to experience things like this.
Setting up Alex and Angela to float down about 6 miles down the river.
Angela's super good at whitewater rafting.
That's good.
She literally cut her teeth.
I know, knocked out a tooth.
Well, the other day we went out, and unfortunately a little girl was going out on a unicorn, so it was like, come on, you can't do that to us.
Not in front of the camera.
Right.
We'll hike out to that section up there.
That's true.
And then we'll go down and then come out.
Yeah, just keep doing that little rapid.
Wait for the people in the inner tubes, because you want it to look more dangerous than it
Yeah. Yeah. All fun and games until you hit those big rapids.
Go for the waterfall. How was it?
Oh, it's great. Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, it's definitely not a lake raft or a lake kayak, but going down the rapids, you feel super stable, which is so much fun. Yeah.
Angela, you did well. You have all your beautiful teeth still.
Yeah, I still have all my teeth.
How was the rapids? Were they?
It was fun. I mean, it was pretty chill. There were people going down in tubes, and you could have gone down in a tube.
Yeah,
it was
still
fun.
though.
Yeah. It was like a little bit exciting.
Nice.
There were sections where the tubes would take you into the lighter section naturally. Well, yeah, with the paddles we were able to go into some of the wavy sections.
Oh, that's good.
You just follow the fastest path.
Yeah.
Cool.
Awesome.